Welcome to our guide on optimizing Linux for gaming in 2025. Linux has come a long way, and today, we're diving into how you can unlock its full gaming potential. Choosing the right Linux distribution is vital for gamers. Let's explore the top distributions for 2025, focusing on performance and support. Next, installing graphics drivers. We'll cover best practices for both nvidia and AMD to ensure you get the best performance out of your hardware. Utilizing Wine and Proton allows you to run Windows games seamlessly on Linux. Learn how to set them up to enhance your gaming library. Configuring Steam Play is crucial for optimizing your experience. Let's dive into the enhancements and settings for peak performance. Exploring performance tweaks can dramatically improve frame rates. We'll share tips to maximize your system's potential. Game mode and other tools can help prioritize your gaming resources. Discover how to configure these tools effectively. Setting up Vulkan can provide significant performance boosts. We'll discuss its advantages and the best optimization settings. Managing system resources is key to smooth gameplay. Here's how to handle background services and processes effectively.